We were able to transmit an early copy of the AI to Russia's newest submarine.
The top secret Yakutas. They called it the Sevastopol.
The mission was merely to sabotage the Sevastopol stealth capabilities so we could secretly detect her. The AI's objective lay in the submarine sonar sphere, at the heart of its defense system. For reasons we don't fully understand, the AI went rogue and over-delivered.
The frozen bodies of the crew were recovered the following spring, adrift in the paradise. The two halves of the key mysteriously vanished. The Sevastopol was lost. No one's quite sure where.
I know precisely where it is. I've ensured I'm the only man on Earth who does. I also know subsequent attempts to make the AI obedient only made it harder to control. It rebelled, rewrote itself, and evolved into the entity. And only by using the entity's original source code can it ever be controlled or destroyed.
And why should this concern us?
You wouldn't be here if you weren't concerned, so let's lay all our cards on the table, shall we? We both know what the key opens, and we both know the secret to controlling the entity.